Welcome to LATIF animations. Today I will show you how to attach clothes with the VTuber or VRChat model. This is the part 2 of the this series, this course of VTuber or VRChat model. If you want to like or if you want to watch part 1 of this character, how to build a character, you can check link in the description and go to visit over Natif Animation YouTube channel. So this is the second part. I am going to explore that how to attach a cloth or any other accessories with your character. So it's must need to be pose position of equal to your rest position. So I am going to set my pose position equal to rest position. So if I apply the constraint, it's not work because this is the pose is not be on the rest. So you need to be set it first. Your pose is be equal to must be rest position. If you like Native animations, to subscribe YouTube channel and then like and share. So I'm going to first click on pose position and then rotate the arms of rest position. So what is the next process of this video? If you want to like this complete course, link in the description. If you want to complete rigging course of Blender, also this series, link in the description. And if you want to um, Maya rigging course, you can check complete rigging course, link in the description. So now I am going to set the pose position is equal to rest position. It is T pose. Now going to set it to arm in T pose. Now going to set it arms in T pose, and you must be set it to your blouse or any other accessories, any clothes, any dress. You need to be set it to be same as your reference mesh. So reference mesh means that the character mesh. So I'm going to go to sculpt mode and then set it to be a uh, using sculpting brush and set it to be same as the arm, same as the body, must be set it to the body. So I'm skip this step. If you need to be this setting up how to set up, it's in the another video I will show you. So this is now I am set it all the uh, with using sculpting brush and set it to the pose of this character. So what is the next process? You need to be select an armature first and then go to click Control P and then with empty groups, click on with empty groups. Now it's performing the step. Now go to the and go to the modifier and then go to select data transfer and go to vertex data, select vertex groups and select on pen tool, then click on the body. So this go to body and then you need to be don't click on duplicate. I am just going to show you. Now go to apply. When the you can click on apply, it's what happened if I check those. Now go to the uh, first need to select your armature and then go to pose mode. Pose mode, and then select the bone and go to rotate tool. Then you can check this the data transfer of this blouse are working very perfectly with the VTuber model which I have created in first part. Now you can see this is all work is very done. It's working very well. This is the quality of blouse are not set it, but now I am fixing these issues. Set it to sculpt brush and sculpt mode, and then go to the brush and set it to on your setting. If your quality of your blouse, your clothing, accessories is very well, it's working very well. No, I am going to make this tutorial, so I did not use any high quality product. Then what is the next process? Next process of I am going to add another accessories. So this is the I have already created this model, so I am going to repeat the process for making a course for you. Go teach my viewers. Thanks for my subscribers. Now you can. I am going to select this ribbon, and first going to be a clear parent, and then go to select this ribbon. So I am attaching step by step accessories to the and to the other VTuber model. So I am going to select set origin to 3D cursor. Now going to select and again, and geometry to origin. The geometry going to be a middle cursor. So what is the next process? First we need to be a set it to origin. Now I am going to origin to center mass, and then go to the origin to center of mass volume. Don't need to be a volume, but I am going to first every origin center mass to be a surface. Now I am going to set it to be a first find this mesh, and then go to copy and open other project, and then paste it the collection which I have already made. Go to paste, and then you can see the model is showing here. Now I am going to set the scale as far as same for her wrist. So I am going to edit mode. This extra things which will be added, I will go to select vertices and delete. So I am finding to go to the setup to scale with her wrist. So you can see this is this task is not very complicated, but going to set it up, it's taking some time. If you like my videos at LATIF animations, keep subscribing at LATIF animations, and like and share to keep supporting me to make more advanced and valuable tutorials with complete courses. You can see now this is work. If you want to make me a patron, go to link in the description and get it to Patreon. Now I have set it to position of this wrist, set it to position of this wrist in same as per as her wrist. Now this mesh is a ribbon. This mesh is now exactly scaled with her hand. So I need to be go to mirror this to add left side. So go to select, right click and select, and right click, and then duplicate the object, and then go to the position with and set it to mirror mirror X. You can see this is the same position, but its orientation is to the left, and X mirror against first. Set it up now. I have no, you need or also need to be adjust the this point to be on the wrist. So hopefully every my previous videos, all my subscribers are very thankful to keep supporting me. Now I am going to add material of this object. This, I think this called is ribbon, or I don't know what's called this. So what is the process of next? You can select your mesh and then select to the armature, then go to with same as process control P. If you want to select both of the undo all, then if you want to select to both meshes, and then shift select to the armature, and again then control P with empty groups. So what happened if I see this is select wrist and go to same, add modifier, add to data transfer vertex data and vertex groups, go to select and source is body apply. It's not work because this is only, you don't need to add be any uh, single mesh, you don't need to be multiple meshes to add this, so need must we need to be single mesh. If the out of position, if the mesh is out of position, you go to select edit mode and select the mesh and set it to position to be right place where you want to be add. So if I, when I select the position and set the position of this, go and then go to armature and check this out, it's works or not work. When I select this, you can see this is not work because the multiple meshes are not added with this process. So one by one you can see this one object is, which is I have connected in lost, it is connected very well and works very good. Now going to attach the other mesh to the armature, go to select and shift select to armature and repeat the process with same thing, control P with empty groups, and then go to modifier, add modifier, data transfer, and then select vertex group, data and vertex group, then select to source as body, and now click on apply. So it's perfectly done. Now go to set it to position with the mesh you want to be set. If the out of position, go to pose mode, check it what happened. Now this is works very fine perfectly. No, this is work fine. Hope you will like ADNAN animations. I am going to save this project. If you want to a free project file, link in the description. Get it to this project file. Sorry, this is not. Now this is going to undo all. I don't want to be this, so I am going to be the next add to this accessories of the body and attached to the this other model. If you want to this model, you can check link in the description to or visit my website nonlatifanimation.blogspot.com. You can find this model. If you want to purchase this model, it's available on my website. Now I'm going to copy these three meshes I want to be add this character. So why I am going to make a very detailed video, because this some people ask me to make a don't mm, create a fast tutorial, please make it the detailed tutorial about step by step. So I'm going to make this step by step. So what is the problem? I don't not I am not clear parent. In this, go to right click clear parent and keep inverse mean that the objects are not going to out of scale and out of body. So now going to again copy and then go to the paste of collection. So uh, it's not same thing again, because this is already I have pasted some models, but it's not work. Go to delete other data which I don't need. So going to armature and delete previous now which is imported from previous. Select the select all meshes which I recently imported from other model. If you want to uh, model your own clothing, you can use your own clothing and keep and downloading from any website, or making a marvelous using marvelous designer. You can create a cloth and then attach to the same process. Now I am going to set to the position of this cloth with scaling, transformation and rotating tools. Now I am going to set it to the body of this character. So you can see this is making some extra sense of set it up. You can see this is works very well. Now you can see I am setting up the models with this sculpt mode. You need to must be select an object, then go to sculpt mode. You can see this is I am going to use the brushes to set this as this is the grab brush to use. Set it up with the mesh. Check this out, same thing before. I have not previously record and skip the step of this top blouse. Now I am going to add this time of this step, how to set it up with this object to the using your sculpting brush. So this is a very good tutorial for beginners. You can, if the beginners of sculpting, they can very helpful to that. And the next step is going to add the hair with the extra rigging, adding a bone with extra rigging. So this is another accessories with the cloth. This is diamond, adding a diamond with the cloth. So first need to this is attached with the next is now going to edit mode and select separately and then go to transform. So it's not all vertices is selected, so must be select all vertices to transform this object. So what can I do if this is not all vertices to be selected? Select this and set it to the in the position of the cloth. Same thing all diamond buttons. If you click, sometimes click on double click on the object, it's selected all, or a L button to select. um, Keep staying cursor on the object and then press L button to keyboard, it's all selected. In the next video I will show you the hair, adding a hair with this character to add hair, and it's work with rigging, its rigid body. Also added extra bones. So I am going to fast forward this process. Now save the project and going to step by step, same process repeat again. Select the mesh and then shift select to the armature, go to control P with empty groups and go to the modifier. Again select object. You must remember that. Again select object. This is the armature 001. I am going to delete this previous attaching. So go to data transfer and go to the vertex data, vertex group, and select the body main. This is object body, and then apply. Now check it that what happened, it's work or not work. So sometimes the your model or transformation is not set it. You can see this is the rotation transformation is not to 000. I am going to set it to 00. Select an object. You can see right side, select an object, then control A to set it to apply all. No, set it to another object, select another object, and then again we need to be delete armature 00, and then go to vertex data, vertex group, and then select the body to attach the data transfer with this body. So you can see this is, I have attached some accessories, and now going to step by step all accessories attached with the body. Select and shift select armature, and then with control P with empty groups, add modifier data transfer vertex data. This step is more than once repeating, so you don't need to be confused. You are not going to be any uh, thing that the very fast video else. So if I going to set it to pause mode and check this out, it's work or not work. So select the bone. You can see this is very well and perfectly work with this body. Hope you will like this process with this technical process. So what you want and what I want. So this process is perfectly done. Going to save this and go to the step forward with another process. If you like ADNAN Animations YouTube channel, then keep subscribing ADNAN Animations. Now I am going to select the hair and same thing as right click and clear parent to keep transformation. Now this parent is, if the transformation is good, you can set clear parent only. I am going to clear and then copy and paste it to the other project. Now already added this here, so I am going to paste this here and delete any extra objects. First select to the extra objects and then go to delete. Click on anywhere in the and delete the extra objects. I need only the hairs. No hairs is now showing, but in the already added hair, this orange hair already added, but I am going to set it to the new hair, red hairs with this body. How to attach hair with the body of this object. So parent, go to set origin to geometry first, because this is the cursor is not in the origin, so the not set it of the hair. You need every object to set it first with body to want to be attached. I am going to set it to the with the completely set it with head. In this process you can see I did not hide or did not delete the uh, previous hairs, because this is, if you want to use change any hair anytime, you can change, just hide the hair and then you can change it anytime. So you can add multiple hairs with this object. First we need to check it out that is this hair is going to, this hair is works well or not. So I am going to add this the material of same head with previous head. If you need to don't change to add the extension, you can also add the extension of your head here. So I am going to add extension this time, so long hair. I don't delete the hair, so I'm going to edit mode and set it to the in the next process. You can watch the part 3. I'm going to watch the part 3.